Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to measure distance on Google Maps. This is incredibly useful whether you're planning a hiking route, measuring property boundaries, or just curious about distances between locations. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar Google Maps interface with the search bar at the top and the map filling your screen. Take a moment to zoom in or out to get a good view of the area you want to measure. Now locate the spot on the map where you want your measurement to start. This could be your house, a landmark, or any point of interest. Once you've found it, right-click directly on that location. A small menu will pop up with several options for what you can do at that point on the map. From this menu, look for and click on Measure Distance. This activates the distance measuring tool, and you'll notice a small white circle appears at your starting point. This is your anchor point, and everything you measure will be calculated from here. Next, click on another area of the map where you want to measure to. This could be across the street, across town, or even across the country. The moment you click, you'll see a white line connecting your starting point to this new location. This line represents the direct distance between the 2 points. Now, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a small information box that displays the measured distance between your 2 points. Google Maps shows this distance in both miles and kilometers, making it convenient no matter what measurement system you prefer. This real-time feedback helps you understand exactly how far apart these locations are. Here's where it gets even more useful. You can add more points if needed, and the tool will automatically add them to your total measured distance. Simply click additional spots on the map, and the line will extend to each new point, creating a path. The distance counter at the bottom updates with each click, giving you the cumulative distance along your entire route. This is perfect for measuring walking paths, road trips, or any journey with multiple stops along the way. And that's it. You've successfully measured distance on Google Maps and can now plan routes, estimate travel distances, or satisfy your curiosity about how far things really are. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.